Welcome back to another product video. We're gonna be talking to you guys about, drumroll, prepaid maintenance for automotive dealers. Raise your hand if you like paying for oil changes, if you like paying for tire rotations, if you like paying for regular maintenance that you gotta do. Who likes doing that? Nobody. So, we came up with a unique solution. Prepaid maintenance. The customer prepays for maintenance that they already have to do at your dealership. The best part is, if they buy this program from you, they have to take it back to you. We also have programs that they don't have to take it back to you if you don't have a service department. This is also a cool product as well. Again, this product right here is designed for the customer to essentially prepay for stuff that they've already got to do, and they can wrap it right into the loan. It's a great way for you guys to make a couple of bucks. This is not gonna be a huge money maker for the dealership. What this is gonna be a great customer retention tool. As a matter of fact, if the customer uses every single one of their prepaid maintenance benefits, we actually pay it out to the dealership, and it's actually, they're going to save money by paying up front. That's the whole point. By buying the prepaid maintenance, you get a discount by paying up front for your maintenance. Simple as that. If you guys aren't selling a prepaid maintenance and you want to drive traffic back to your service department, if you want customers coming back to your dealership, if you want a great no-brainer product to offer to your customers in the finance department, this would be a good one. We can create any program that you want to cover any service that you want. So if you're looking for something unique, a market differentiator or a why buy here, this would be a good one for you guys to take a look at. If you're interested and want to know more, comment below, send us a message, send us an email at sales@malibufinancial.biz, or do whatever you got to do to get in touch with us so you can set an appointment and we can tell you all about it. Any questions? Comment below.